Hello, teacher and classmate. My name is Juliana Ladino. I am 23 years old. For that, I am a young person. I am from Bogotá, but I am living in Xochitl, Dinamarca. My favorite color is pink, and my favorite food is the mushrooms that is very delicious. I am studying business administration. I am police administrator. I am lieutenant of national police from Colombia. This is my forest. It is my dog. I have a dog. Its name is Logan. I love ride a bike. I wish travel around the world. Now I want to talk about my experience in my last vacation. In my last vacation, I remember that I went to the Orinoquia region with my boyfriend. That I like this place because it was cheap. It's very cheap. I paid 5 million for 2 weeks. Yeah, and this place have a lot of places, but these places are wonderful. For example, I remember that I visit the Love Park. It's great, really good place, and and I horseback riding. I now return Orinoquia region because the typical food is very delicious. For example, I like eat mamona. Mamona is the same of the meat and is the typical food of the region. And I like to drink guarapo. Guarapo is elaborated for the cane sugar and is very delicious. The weather in this place, in the Orinoquia region, is a little strange because in the morning it is usually sunny, but it is breezy at the night. For that, I say some recommendations. First, it is necessary that you use sunscreen lotion in the Orinoquia region for protect your body. It is important that you wear an umbrella in Orinoquia region for the rain or the sun. It is necessary that you use umbrella. It is essential that people or that you wear coat at the night. Then it is important that you wear a hat in the afternoon. It is recommended that you wear ear cloth. For example, if you are a woman, you must wear dress, beautiful dress. But if you are a man, you should wear a shorts. For the sun, it is necessary that you wear your clothes. And it is better that you wear sunglasses in this place. For your security, it is important that you shut windows and doors during at night. It is necessary that you drink a lot of liquid in the night or in the morning, such as soda and water, for you hydrate. And finally, it is necessary that you you know that you should do. For example, you should must go to horseback riding. It is great. It is great. The people must listen to genius your abuse and watch what you shouldn't do. People should should not drink beer by when horseback riding because this is terrible. This is terrible that of the accident that is journey. People should not swim in the river, in the river if they don't know because it is dangerous. Okay? Uh, Thank you for your attention.